Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this, and they have some shadowing. It might be a watermark of some sort, and so they're following my latest trace where you get rid of all the white background. So first of all, I'm going to make a copy of it and move it over. I always do that, and for the one I'm doing it for, I made it quite a bit smaller. Trace bitmap, outline, trace clip art. After it's through doing it right here, it'll come up and go, this is what they're doing, remove from total image. But there is some gray parts, and there's like a weird antler looking shape in here. And if we look and we take it, you know what, well, we can't yet. Take it and we go to object and group and ungroup it. If we try to grab that, see there's some weird shapes. But what it is, trying to zoom in. There's like so there's two ways you can do it. One, you could grab that little yellow and just take it out. And you could do that the same thing for here. And it might even look better if you do that because you want some tree space. But they want to know how to get rid of these and how to get rid of that off color. So before we do it, we're going to see what color it is. So we're going to get the eyedropper tool and we're going to go right here, and that's black 111. But look, that's black, or all of them are 333, 111. Look at the trees, even kind of different color. So, and I think, that's some sort of watermark. And I don't know what to tell you. It's somebody, but if you use it at your discretion or personal use, select it all and go hit RGB black. Now that is gone and everything's black. Now I want to test one more thing before we do that. Well, matter of fact, let's make a duplicate of it and move it over. And let's left click, right click. See, that's what it is. It's got non-readable watermarks. Pretty ingenious of whoever did it, but so I don't have an opinion on that. It might have been for sale on Pinterest or something, but just take it all and make it all black. And then that should engrave. You know what? Something is still there. I did not notice that earlier. Let's go to object group and it is a group. Tell you what, let's nudge that out of the way. And let's nudge that out of the way and see what color. See, it's all black. So it should not interfere. So this isn't going to be as easy as I thought, because I think the laser is going to pick that up. So let's try this. We're going to right click black, but we're going to left click black. And what that did, if it had any lines on them, now you can't see. You can see those white dots, it's because we've clicked on it. Now I think we're good to go. Eyedropper tool, black 000 everywhere. So that's how I would do it. It's still there, but it should engrave all the same. Let's make a duplicate of it again. I don't know. I keep hitting my thumb drive, I guess. Let's left click, right click. I'm just curious what happens if we weld it. I don't think it's going to change it. Oh, it did. It did quite a bit. So now you could take your virtual Sigma delete key. This might be a little safer. Whoop, don't need the knife. Let's get rid of that T. Let's get rid of that spot. I don't know what that would be, but everything else is gone. So now let's take our, and always I don't know what I'm hitting. Take the Smart Fill tool. Look at that. This would be the way to do it. Then you know that it's 100% black behind there. And actually, you could probably take away the outline now, even though it should be the same color. So it's a little bit tedious right here, but well worth it. I learned a little bit today too. I didn't think the weld would cure that. And you're good to go. And then always group it together. And let's take away the outline and see what it looks like now. See, let's do that again. Let's make it, it actually makes it, to me, a little bit sharper. Look at the rump of the deer and take away the outline. It defines some parts more. See the difference? Not much, but it's a little bit. And then as always, group that together. And because there's no lines, you can make this thing as big as you want, and it's going to stay true to the size. That's a pretty cool graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.